In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply for a credit card with HSBC UK Mobile Online 2025. Whether you're on the HSBC mobile app or using a browser, the process is straightforward when you know what to expect. Before you start, have accurate personal and financial information ready so you can complete everything in one smooth flow. Staying consistent with your official documents helps prevent delays later on. Begin by visiting the HSBC UK credit cards comparison page to explore the available options. You'll typically see choices like rewards cards, balance transfer cards, and standard everyday cards. Take a moment to consider how you plan to use the card. Are you aiming to earn points, spread the cost of existing balances, or just have a reliable card for daily spending? As you compare, look at the representative APR, any annual fees, introductory offers, and how long those offers last. For balance transfers, note the transfer fee and the promotional period. If rewards are your priority, check how points or cashback are earned and whether there are caps or categories. Choosing the right fit here will make the rest of the process much easier. Once you've identified your preferred card, select Check Eligibility. This quick check takes around 5 minutes and uses a soft search, which won't impact your credit score. You'll be asked for basic details so HSBC can give you an indication of whether you're likely to be accepted. It's not a guarantee, but it's a helpful guide to avoid unnecessary applications. If you're happy with the result, continue by selecting Apply Now. Existing customers can log into online banking, so parts of the application are pre-filled, saving time and reducing errors. If you're new to HSBC, proceed as a guest and you'll enter everything manually. Make sure your name, date of birth, and address history match your official records. Next, complete the application form with your personal, employment, and financial details. Expect questions about your income, regular expenses, and how long you've been at your current address and job. Provide accurate, up-to-date figures. This is important for responsible lending and helps HSBC assess your application correctly. You may also be asked for consent to run a credit check. Take a moment to review what you've entered and correct any typos. If you're unsure about a figure, check your payslip or bank statement so the information aligns with your documentation. New customers may be prompted to complete digital verification. This can include uploading a scan or clear photo of your passport or driving license and taking a quick selfie for biometric checks. Use good lighting, make sure the whole ID is visible with no glare, and keep your device steady for sharp images. Follow the on-screen instructions, and the site will guide you through what happens next.